Hello everyone. Today we will learn Presidents of India. So let's begin. Number 1. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Duration of serving 1950 to 1962. Number 2. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Duration of serving 1962 to 1967. Number 3. Dr. Zakir Hussain. Duration of serving 1967 to 1969. Number 4. V.V. Giri. Duration of serving 1969 to 1974. Number 5. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. Duration of serving 1974 to 1977. Number 6. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Duration of serving 1977 to 1982. Number 7. Gyani Zail Singh. Duration of serving 1982 to 1987. Number 8. R. Venkatraman. Duration of serving 1987 to 1992. Number 9. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. Duration of serving 1992 to 1997. Number 10. K.R. Narayan. 1997 to 2002. Number 11. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Duration of serving 2002 to 2007. Number 12. Srimati Pratibha Patil. Duration of serving 2007 to 2012. Number 13. Pranab Mukherjee. Duration of serving 2012 to 2017. Number 14. Ram Nath Kovind. Duration of serving 2017 to 2022. Number 15. Draupadi Murmu. Current President of India. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel General Knowledge Laboratory and press the bell icon to never miss new video updates. Take care.